Tesla teases a new product referred to as Cyber Vault.
Uh-huh. I want to make sure this wasn't April Fool's.
Okay.
But apparently it wasn't. Like, is this an actual thing?
Well.
Huh?
Listen, man, I know we took a couple of days off here.
Yeah.
Apparently it is a Cybertruck-inspired box with an integrated EV home charging for the Chinese market. Weren't we looking at something that was shown off in the Chinese market? Oh, yeah, we were looking at that little flap on the back of the Cybertruck.
Yeah. To keep your fishing rods.
Yeah, but then it was in their official magazine, but you couldn't really order it, and everyone was skeptical, and I'm still skeptical. As reported last week, Tesla was testing the launch of a new product called CyberVault in China. Today, the automaker fully unveiled the product, which it refers to as the Tesla CyberVault Home Charging Service Package. It weighs 13 kilograms and adopts the Cybertruck design language. The product is integrated with a protective outer box and charging equipment to meet the customers. So it's like an outer box to make your charger look cooler or bigger. Well, Porsche does that, but it seems a little odd. Do you put this on the outside of your house? Maybe to lock it up so people don't use your electricity. Maybe that's the case.
It looks pretty cool.
But isn't that just the mobile charge kit? That's not very fast charging over there. That's very slow charging, right?
It's actually pretty quick. It's not too bad.
Oh.
If it's in like a NEMA.
Oh, you're talking about with the right adapter.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see that. Interesting. Tesla CyberVault charging pile, cables with 30 meters, a successful survey. Oh, this is what you need to be able to get this package. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. When you consider it's not a bad deal, actually. Tesla's selling the CyberVault for around $800 USD, obviously after conversion. Okay, there's a video and everything. Tesla Asia. I don't think it's a prank, Will.
You were suspecting it was.
But this video went out on April 3rd. You can't be pulling pranks on April 3rd.
I know, yeah. It's pretty close to it.
Oh.
But yeah.
It's like a locker. It has one of those, like you've got to put in a code. It's like a locker. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Well, it's just weird. We're getting all these Cybertruck stuff, and the Cybertruck's not even there. Like, you have a Cybertruck locker for your Model Y. I don't know. It's kind of weird, no?
Yeah. I think they need to just finish the Cybertruck.
Okay.
Everything else should follow.
Let's do that instead.
Yeah, can we?
It's not $900 for the locker, is it? Like, you're also getting the charge equipment in there as well, right? Yeah, you're getting whatever. And you're getting the install. 12 months warranty on the installation work? I don't know. Whatever. Cybertruck stuff before the Cybertruck.